Alright, y'all, this video is going to be an update on Judge Esther Salas shooting. Now, Roy Dan Hollander, who the FBI called a primary subject in his shooting at Judge Salas' home in New Jersey, may have been targeting at least one other female judge after investigators searched the car in which Hollander was found dead of an apparently self-inflicted gunshot wound. They also discovered a name and photo of a New York State Chief Judge, Janet D. Farrar. We were alerted that her photos and name were in his recovered efforts, said a spokesman, confirming a detail first reported by the New York Times. Now, there was also an envelope with Judge Salas' address. They didn't say what was inside the envelope, but there was an envelope with her name and address on there inside of his car. Hollander is suspected of shooting, killing the son of Judge Esther Salas, as well as her husband in an attack at the family's New Jersey home on Sunday night. Now, y'all know he wore a face covering and a FedEx uniform. He used an ordinary car to make a getaway, so he didn't steal a UPS truck. Again, now, I don't know if he stole a uniform or if he previously worked there or what the case may be with that. Now, again, her husband was also shot. He was recovering at the hospital after undergoing surgery, and again, her son was unfortunately killed. She was unharmed in the incident. Now again, Hollander's body was discovered in a car by a municipal employee in the town of Rockland, New York. He died of apparently a self-inflicted gunshot wound. Police were on the scene and the FBI was called. The suspect had previously received media attention for lawsuits challenging perceived infringements of men's rights on networks like Fox News, Comedy Central, and MSNBC. Meanwhile, the FBI is also investigating whether Hollander may be connected to death in California of an attorney who also describes himself as an anti-feminist. Now, Judge Esther Salas has had a lot of attention due to big cases. Now, her shooter had actually argued cases before her. Now, she had some big cases. In 2015, she was overseeing the women who wanted to register for the draft. He argued that case before her, but he could not oversee it, as he was said he was terminally ill with melanoma cancer. And then in 2017, probably her biggest case was financial fraud case involving Real Housewives in New Jersey. That was in 2017. And then another big case in 2017, she barred federal prosecutors from seeking the death penalty against a gang leader wanted in multiple killings. So, obviously she has a lot of media attention. Again, I don't give judges a lot of credit, like I do police, but, their lives are on the line also. One big case and your whole life is not going to be normal no more. Now, obviously she has received death threats in the past. Obviously she received death threats here. Now, the U.S. Marshals are giving her 24-hour service protection. I don't know how long that is. If it's for the rest of her life, I don't know. But the U.S. Marshals are giving her 24-hour service protection, which I think is good. Now, a lot of y'all said that y'all don't agree with her agenda, political view, whatever the case may be, okay? To be honest, I don't really know her. This is the first I've even heard of her. Now, she is the first Latina judge to serve, so, that probably has a lot to do with it too, because the suspect said that he had trouble with female Latina judges. Again, I don't really know her like that, but it's sad what happened to her and her family. Obviously she didn't get shot, but, losing your son and then seeing your husband get shot, for no reason, and then there's really nothing you can do about it, that's gotta hurt a lot. And it makes you wonder, what's, is someone else coming, especially if this person killed someone in California. Now, a lot of people are saying, there's no way. It is very possible that he could have, okay? Same details that happened here pretty much happened in California, and it took 6 days, okay? Obviously, you probably can't drive there in 6 days, but you can take a plane. You probably get a train there in 6 days. obviously a plane there in 6 days. You know, people talking about, well, how do you get a gun? How do you get a gun? You know, he could have 2 apartments, 2 houses. He could know people. There's all kind of ways to get guns, so that's not really the issue. Now, with that being said, definitely keep her and her family in your thoughts and prayers. As always, thank y'all for watching. As always, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And as always, y'all stay safe out there.